Hello, Scorpio. Welcome. This is your April 2019 reading. So do keep in mind this is general, so messages may or may not resonate with you. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. An extra card wanted to come out for you guys. So we have here for the month of April, a lot of you guys could be doing a lot of shadow work, dealing with your shadow side, dealing with the more negative aspects of your personality. I just see you guys doing a lot of inner work. I'm feeling like whatever situation you guys were in that caused you to start working on your shadow side here, I feel like it was a situation very shrouded in mystery. And maybe even dealing and working with your shadow side is a mystery to you. You could be feeling a little anxious or fearful or concerned, but Spirit is wanting you guys to be fearless and bold, like the card says, when it comes to facing the more negative aspects of your life. It would also be very helpful for you guys to, read up on your North Node and your South Node. It's very easy to get online today and to just look up, like, your astrological chart, so you can find out, the placements, and you can read up more on your North Node and your South Node. I feel like a lot of you guys, it is very helpful for you guys to read up on your North and South Node. Your South Node does harbor gifts that will help you along your life's journey, your life's path. They might be past life skills or talents that your soul has picked up. We don't lose, sorry guys, I have stuff playing in the background, TV and stuff, if you hear that. Yeah, so anyway, so a lot of you guys could be, doing research. You could be reading up on your North and South Node. You could be trying to tap into any gifts that you may have, or gifts that you have had in past lives. Oh, I was going to say, I believe if you're a Taurus, your North Node is Scorpio. So I think for Scorpio, for you guys, your North Node would be Taurus. So, just go on Google, look that stuff up. Yeah, and just don't be afraid to shine with the peacock spirit here. Don't be afraid to be you, to be your authentic self. That might be a very, bold way of living for some of you out there. I'm also seeing that some of you guys are trying to flow with the mysteries of life. You're trying to be more in flow, more in tune. You're trying to be more in alignment with the universe, with the path that you're meant to walk. Yeah, a lot of you guys are just really, really taking on this attitude of just really being, you know, bold and just really being fearless and going after whatever it is that's holding you back, that's no longer serving you, and you're ready to charge forward. You're ready to move forward on your path here, even if it's still a mystery to you. Even if you don't know how everything's going to unfold for you, you're still wanting to move boldly, fearlessly throughout life. You're not wanting your shadow side or any of your negative aspects or any negative memories holding you down. You don't want that. So I really see some of you guys doing a lot of inner work this month. You're releasing a lot of old, maybe negative thinking patterns, thinking habits. Maybe some of you guys are journaling or meditating. Some of you guys could be using crystals. But you guys, in the month of April, you guys are definitely receiving luck. There's definitely lucky and favorable energies around you in the month of April. Yeah, I just see you guys wanting to enter more into a state of flow and harmony. You're just wanting to be at peace. I feel like some of you guys will eventually just be surrendering to the mysteries of life. And just know that no matter what it is that you're going through internally, this is all for your highest potential. This is all for your highest outcome, even if it doesn't seem like it right now, even if it seems like what you're going through is unnecessary or cruel or unfair. Everything is happening for your highest potential, for your highest good, even though it might come off as a mystery to you. And for some of you guys, you know, clovers could be significant to some of you out there, 4-leaf clovers. And I'm also getting something about fertility. Some of you could be very fertile this month. So just be careful. Or you guys just have a lot of, you know, ideas, a lot of visions, a lot of goals that you just want to fearlessly pursue. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to leave that here. I hope this resonated. I hope it made sense. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.